video this week. Today is Friday, it's the end of the week, and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys my trade for today and why I entered it and what exactly is going on here on my chart. So the first thing I want to do is I want to head over to my site that I use for my economic data, which is Forex Factory. It's a pretty old site, but I still use it. So we had a lot of bank holidays because we were getting into Christmas, into the holidays, so the markets were kind of closed, but I started trading on Wednesday and could catch some minor setups. Now, if you watch my videos, if you know me, I only trade pairs based on the news that's coming up, and the pairs that I do trade are the FX majors, such as Euro USD, AUD USD, blah blah, like 7 to 8 pairs, right? Now, okay, so I trade those pairs, and I only will choose 4 setups based on the news that's coming out. So if there's only USD news for today, I'll choose 4 pairs with the USD currency in it. Okay, so today was Friday, and we had Euro USD news, and GBP, the British pound, that's in Europe. So we had some news here, and then there was this liquidity line here before. I had this ahead of time before the news, and I was actually waiting for this to break, and it broke here, but I missed that first supply zone you can see right over here. I missed this zone right here, but luckily I was able to get in here on another gap on the higher time frame. On the 15-minute, we had a small gap there, right there. Okay, so the reason that I entered on that gap was obviously because it broke that liquidity trend line, because a lot of traders were trying to trade off of that, and that's retail, and the banks and institutions know that. So that news, what did the news do, guys? The news just simply moves the market, and what do we mean by moves the market? Well, orange and red news on Forex Factory, this stands for medium volatile and high volatile. Orange is medium volatile news, and red news is high volatile news. So if smart money moves the markets, guys, we have to look for high volatile and medium volatile news, because that's usually how much smart money moves. The yellow news, on the other hand, is just regular news, and the market won't really move that much. Smart money usually comes in on the orange and red news, and that's why we trade these events. So in the result to the GBP, to the Euro news happening, this was the result. This current trading, this current range here, this current price action that I just marked on the 2 black lines here, this price action going downwards here was a result from the currency's news, right? And that result aligned with my plan that I already had, because I actually was trading, looking to take a long here, a entry here, which I already did on my account, and I'm currently in the trade going back up. I actually was looking forward to getting on an entry there, but the cool thing was, I got to do both sides because I was already planning for this liquidity to break so I can enter here. Now, what did I learn? Okay, so when I entered on that fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame, I targeted the entry point I was looking to enter here. I don't know why I did that. It messed up real quick. Hold on. That I was looking to enter here. Okay, and I just targeted the entry that I was looking to buy down below. Now, here's the simple step, guys, for your strategy I want you guys to start using. Look on this site, Forex Factory, you know what it is. Have the settings show you only medium and high impact news, only meaning orange and red folders. And then once you guys do that, identify pairs based on the day it is. So if tomorrow is Friday, go on back on TradingView and look up on your watch list pairs that contain the Euro, GBP, Euro, anything that's in Europe, Swiss franc, and then look up and then trade the pairs based on that, and USD, and trade the pairs based on that. And then so your setups, if you're trading smart money concepts, your setups are supposed to align with the news that's coming out. Okay, so your setups, and this is my approach. I don't know what you guys do, but this is my personal approach that works for me. I'm not trying to say everything for everybody, but for me, my setups always need to align with this volatile news, because if news moves to market, I need to know what's going on and not just make up stuff on the charts like most retailers do, using all that crap like the indicator shit. But my indicator is news, because that's volatility, and that's how I trade smart money. So it's really simple, guys. I have a strategy. I first look for market structure, and then I identify supply and demand zones. So previously we were already in a downtrend or a bearish market, you can say. I was actually planning on buying at that zone right here. You can see below, which is why I took a buy trade this morning after that sell trade going downwards. So we already were in a downtrend, so that's also why I felt comfortable selling all the way down to my point of interest, which is my order block there, my demand zone. And so once you guys identify market structure and pair it with the news, that will really help you guys be able to identify setups. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to tell you guys that the keys for trading are understanding the news for the week and having it on high volatile and medium volatile news. And the second key is market structure. Now, you can use market structure. I like to start on the 15-minute and up for most pairs. Some pairs lower, but most pairs, that's what I like to use. If you would like to use the higher time frames, that's also good too to check. And what I trade is I trade order blocks, I trade fair value gaps, imbalances, and I trade Wyckoff. And Wyckoff is basically order blocks, imbalances, and schematics. And if you don't know what schematics are, go on YouTube and look them up. Schematics basically are, like, for example, distribution in the market. That's a schematic. That's when buy orders in the market turn into sell orders, and that will usually happen at a top or at a high. So when a high, before it makes a low, there's usually a distribution there that can be occurring on a small time frame or a high time frame. And the same thing with an accumulation. An accumulation is when sell orders turn into buy orders through smart money. And smart money will typically do this at a bottom of the range or at the bottom of a low to turn the market. So it's basically the cause of a trend. So people trade trends, and the causes of trends and people who set the trends are smart money, and they cause and create these trends using schematics. And there's a whole theory on it. And then the guy that made this theory, his name is Richard DeMille Wyckoff. You can do some research with him. He's known as one of the big titans of the market C on Wall Street. He's written a lot of magazines. He's pretty famous. But he's dead now. This was back in like the 1940s. But he has a well-known name, and this is basically the approach to the markets that I go for. And yeah, guys, if you want to know anything more about my strategy or anything, just message me on Instagram or show me your setup. Show me your screenshots. I'm all ears. I do have a Discord, guys. I don't have a course. I just have a community. The community comes with private videos revealing my actual full strategy besides the general information that I provide here. So if you guys want to know my actual strategy I use to be able to do this on my own, and so you can do it on your own, that will all be inside the Black Wolf Dynasty, which is the name of the group that I created. All the info will be in there, such as videos, resources, ebooks, and like-minded traders that help you guys get to where you need to be so you can be financially free and get to where your goals are, whether that's to be consistently profitable, etc. Now, to make money in the Forex market, a big tip that I would give for you guys is to not focus on the money and the profits. Focus on the charts, because all the charts are setups, and we make money in Forex and trading looking at chart setups and having setups. And a strategy, all it is just a system or a setup that you do over and over, and then it has to be like a 70% to 80% win rate, okay? Or even 70% win rate is decent. But yeah, it's all about a right strategy. So there's no magical strategy. Everybody has a strategy that works for them, and you just need to find someone that you like that teaches it and that actually shows you, and an approach that you like. So some people don't trade smart money. I trade smart money, so this strategy works good for me. And I've been trading since 2018, but I only found out about smart money the last year and a half ago. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to make this quick video. If you guys want to connect with me or join the Black Wolf Dynasty, it's not overpriced. It's not $1,000. It's not $200. It's literally $77. Not even a month, just one time. And it comes with all the resources and stuff that you need to be able to identify setups. Because again, the secret to becoming profitable to consistently find setups in the market. Okay, that's stability right there. You need to be able to find consistent setups in the market, and if you can do that, you will be profitable. Okay, you will be profitable, especially if you're training and you keep seeing those setups over and over again. Okay, so this is all I wanted to tell you guys today. I hope you guys found value in this video. Peace.